Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Winter is here and it's time to organize our kurtis in the wardrobe to keep them cozy and easily accessible. So today I am gonna show you some super simple tips to keep your kurtis in check during the chilly season. Let's get started. So guys, first thing first, let's sort out our kurtis based on their fabric and thickness. Separate the warm woolen kurtis from the lighter ones. This way you will know exactly where to find it perfect cozy kurtis when you need it. Next up, let's fold our kurtis in a way that saves space and keeps them wrinkle free. Lay your kurtis flat on a surface and fold it in half vertically. Then fold the sleeves toward the back, creating a neat rectangle. Trust me, this method works like a charm. So guys, now it's time to organize them in your wardrobe. If you have self stack your folded kurtis vertically instead of horizontally, this way you can see all your option at a glance without missing up the entire piles. Plus it saves so much space. And if you have hanger in your wardrobe, use them wisely. Hanger your heavier kurtis on sturdy hanger to avoid any stretching or sagging. For your lighter kurtis, try using velvet or padded hangers to prevent them from shipping off. To make finding your favorite kurtis even easier, you can color code them, arrange your kurtis from lightest to darkest shades, or group them by similar colors. This way, you will always know where to find that vibrant red kurtis or that soothing pastel one. Lastly, don't forget about those accessories. Use small storage boxes or divider to keep your matching scarves, stroll, or dupattas organized alongside your kurtis. This way, you won't have to go on a treasure hunt every time you want to complete your winter look. And there you have it, fam. With these simple tips, are your kurtis will be winter ready and perfectly organized. So go ahead and give your wardrobe a little makeover. Trust me, it will make getting dressed in the morning so much easier. And I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. And as always, if you have any more suggestions or ideas, drop them in the comment below. Stay warm and stylish, fam. Bye. Take care, guys, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing organization tips and tricks. Till then, bye. Take care and thank you. Thank you for watching my video.